There was once a young professional, Arjun, who had just started earning. Excited by his new financial freedom, he started using his credit card to live a luxurious lifestyle, buying expensive gadgets, dining out frequently, and planning lavish vacations. But soon the bills started piling up. Arjun couldn't pay the minimum dues and the interest rates kept increasing. What started as a convenience turned into a nightmare. He felt trapped, hopeless, and under constant stress. One day, overwhelmed by his situation, Arjun even thought of ending his life, but then a thought struck him. If I created this problem, I can solve it too. Arjun decided to change his life. The first thing he did was cut his credit card and stop all unnecessary spending. He created a strict budget and started paying off the debt little by little, even though it was tough. He took up extra work, reduced his expenses, and focused on clearing the entire credit card balance. It took time, but his persistence paid off. Slowly, the debt vanished. Arjun didn't stop there. He started learning about saving and investing. Instead of borrowing, he built an emergency fund and invested wisely for his future. Today, Arjun is debt-free and financially secure. He's living proof that no matter how deep the problem, with determination and the right choices, anyone can turn their life around. Say no to debt, save smart, live free.